Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI.
If you have a pool and children, you're definitely going to want to check out SwamCam. This is the perfect pool alarm. It is extremely easy to install, just took a few minutes. And once you download the app and pair your alarm with it, you're good to go. It's extremely customizable. There's so many different settings that you can use. It actually uses AI technology to be able to detect if there is a human near the edge of the pool, and you can change the sensitivity and also change the detection area. So far, no issues with the alarm going off because of my dog. The siren will go off not only on the camera itself, but it also comes with a remote siren that you can plug in inside your house, so you'll be able to hear it. You also get alerts on your phone, you get emails, you get text messages, everything to let you know that something is not right. It also comes with a remote alarm and the hardware needed to put it on the gate so that if you have someone that services your pool, they can disarm it with no problem.
So, if you're in the market for a pool alarm, definitely check out SwamCam. It has definitely given us peace of mind, and I think it will for you too. And that's my point of view.